I've been using the Galaxy S24 Ultra as my primary device for over 100 days now. Since its launch, I've tested most of its features, focusing on performance benchmarks, battery life, and its artificial intelligence tools. Samsung launched the Galaxy S24 Ultra in January, emphasizing its artificial intelligence capabilities, such as language translation and circle to search, designed to simplify our lives. Over the past 100 days, I've explored which features are genuinely useful, like the anti-reflective display, and which ones fell short, like Galaxy Artificial Intelligence. I also discovered several hidden features and tools that enhance the phone beyond its artificial intelligence capabilities. Previously, I used the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which performed admirably over the past 2 years. With the S24 Ultra, Samsung introduced new artificial intelligence tools and promised 7 years of software updates, raising my expectations. Despite the allure of artificial intelligence features and a 200-megapixel camera, the display is the one feature I rely on daily. Samsung significantly underplayed the importance of the anti-glare display on the S24 Ultra. The company only detailed the Corning Gorilla Armor construction, which significantly reduces reflections and glare outdoors compared to other flagship phones. In my comparisons with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Pixel 8 Pro, and last year's S23 Ultra, the S24 Ultra's display stood out. The Gorilla Armor coating also enhances scratch resistance more than previous Gorilla Glass displays. The switch from the curved display of the S22 Ultra to the flatter S24 Ultra display is another unexpected benefit. It facilitates quick note-taking with the S Pen, allowing me to write up to the edges. Other useful artificial intelligence tools include the shadow and reflection eraser and the rotating canvas option for image edges. However, these artificial intelligence features have also been made available on the S23 Ultra, Z Fold 5, and Flip 5 with the One UI 6.1 update, as well as on Google Pixel phones, making them less of a unique selling point for the S24 Ultra. This feels like a missed opportunity for Samsung. Although it maintains great zoom capabilities, I rarely use the 100x zoom due to its watercolor effect on photos, preferring the 30x zoom instead. The camera feels less exciting compared to other Android phones. In conclusion, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has impressed me more than I anticipated. While the Galaxy artificial intelligence features didn't live up to the hype, the anti-glare display and other quality of life improvements made a significant impact. I look forward to revisiting this phone in a few months, especially with the upcoming updates from Android 15. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.